see reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
So today I'm taking 2 spoons of corn flour and then adding some green tea to it. So this is our mask. One thing I would like to tell you all, don't take corn flour directly from your fridge, because that's what I did and it didn't get mixed well. So once again I had to prepare making it cool. So if suppose you are someone who have kept your corn flour in fridge, you take it outside, keep it outside for some time, then you start doing and prepare your mask. We have opted corn flour just because it has more antioxidants which help fight off free radicals that cause your skin to age prematurely by causing wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin A helps to delay the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles so that your skin will be very firm up. Hence, this can be a firming up and wrinkle preventing face mask. You may watch, actually it's really hard to apply it with a brush, so I have applied only with my hand. And you can find, I don't know what kind of material is this, compound is this corn flour. It's like a, what to say, it's more like a gum or something. It's not at all, not even coming in hand. I haven't used this alone. I've always used this with something or the other powder. I haven't applied it directly with so green tea is just like water, we have added it. I've used it with coffee powder. Only such mask I have applied. See, it's like this. Okay, I've applied it. Let me wait for 15 minutes and let me wash it off. I don't know, you people try and comment how you felt using this. It's onto my dress completely, and yes, I couldn't use it with a brush and I couldn't, it's really hard to apply. So tell me whether it was easy for you when you try, or is there any other technique to use this? I don't know. Okay, let's see after using this for 15 minutes.